And you can see also the hippo.
Yes, hippo. Yeah.
I never realized it is as big as this one.
Yes.
It's a huge one.
Yes, yes, yes. How about you, Mama Miriam Cartagena? Why are you here? Are you happy with this gallery and this museum?
Lover. Oh, look at the cats over there. Very big. Okay. You see, big size. We have at home, actually, that one. You called him, what you have named them, no? So, these are what? From Africa. Yeah. By Senator Bayan, Congressman Chavez. Yeah.
Congressman Chavez Simpson.
So, it fascinated everybody, especially the kids. They are very fun watching it, especially this lion, because they have seen the Lion King.